Ebushon for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra like, comment, subscribing, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebushon for Yariye. Ya pa. Na yemwa yaya juma hospital pain. No? When you see people who are sick, people who are struggling with their health, you would even wish it for your enemy. The suffering in it, physically, the emotional torture, and easy. It's not. And when you consider that, it is nothing to be compared to the financial aspect of it. Sickness can turn a rich man into a beggar. Yeah. Yare. Yeah. Now the reason I'm saying this is yare bakunsu wa. Enu krade. Enya easy. Ene kidneys yare. Kidneys. Treatment nu expensive, papa. A drone expensive. Na nkofo more advanced stage na. Eya mo here different dialysis. Na sa dialysis nkofo bi wo ho here no twice a week. Every single week, twice. Omo anya. The BC. The ombe flat. Na sa dialysis no. Before MPP baba, sometime through MPP's administration, now hospitals BG 700, Ebimuji 800, Ebimuji 900, their own G 600. And Dr. Mamudu Bawumia any boss Akufado say you are ready and you'll be a fault too. Ebimu wa. Predisposed factors. Enti sebeya yenfa sa dialysis no cost no enfanka health insurance so that obia oye kidney patient bia na at least aban betumi atua for a number of dialysis section amount in a month to take away that burden from them. And so wow, Abaisa negotiated with the hospitals to make their figure uniform, and they reduced those 700, 800, 900 and co down to around 500 cities. When this policy started, somewhere June 2024, people had their monies refunded to them, patients. Dialysis money refunded to them. But when you know, Ghana for Obama and DC. All these things I've listed to you. All this implementation, interventions. Ghanaians still watch MPP in the face and went to temperate for number 8, NDC. And obviously, as we all suspected, NDC for the mobile move file bia the way I met many chobo bia modibeto moboto menyesa. So of course NDC for they didn't continue. They came to tell Ghanaians say amudi adebia efenu Mahama Care eba. Mahama Care think of one contributor musika. 1 year 3 months near. Bisami say, has Mahama Care even paid for one patient? Debbie. Meanwhile, your appointed fund manager. Your appointed fund manager or G salary. Or chika kesiye. say kidney dialysis patient after so no omo ankasa na omo abre omo so. Omo say omo ampeni yentimi bi omo yentimi. Sikano ye nibi. But dialysis no so ye here. And Kufuado Bawumia anya hwe dia. Omo ndwin ska ombetwa ho. Usori ani se wo koye dialysis. Eba. Be you free ho. Enti. Omampeni, jama ama, omo srew. Ya disredie. Ebe ya. Adia na Kufuado Bawumia eye no. Bring it back. Wherever Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and the boss, they were getting money from Ajama His Excellency, you too can get the money from there. Bring the team back. The health of the people is important. What are you using the money for? It's kind of the other. Who do you see Diamond was sorry we are damn you? Fast Kanu uses Kanu on the people. Save Ghanaians. Ghanaians are suffering. Are they? I have a very interesting conversation for you to listen up next. Don't go anywhere. But before then, for you, person MBA, Ghana CMTV GH bloggy, the studio ewa na total cost no of project near 25,000 Ghana cedis. We record dollars more $2,300 US. We for Kito Bianswa. Boy 9 year why? Naba no screen I say. Let's do it as we do it every time. I'll see in the next one. Cheers. Now to the conversation.
Okay, Abeku, let me get it and send it to you. Then
okay,
I will come back again.
Obi say, okay, what you checking? I send it. Obi say, what send you video, mommy? But what you
checking? Okay, Obi send you check it and play it. Obi send you there.
I think it's on TikTok. So what you just so what spare phone?
So by all me TikTok. I say no okay can buy any na or dey kono. No more be no can wo more dey
for. Yeah, you more collaborating with the military US.
No.
Okuja to ankase ye Ghana collaborating bia my brother. Get the video.
Okay, Abeku.
My brother. I say video na Abeku boy, you know. A small part of the video.
A small part and
no, my brother. Listen to
I'm starting come on.
Maybe
I will be complicated. Me voice
well, everybody knows that Ghana has a defense cooperation agreement with the US.
Abeku, that video na wo bono. Question. That audio now.
Yeah, almost say, oh, Nana be Janya Botre. Oh,
I know the voice.
No collaboration, almost so collaboration. Yenti and okay. Oh,
we are the any panel they are saying on check here, no so nebo.
I will find that one. Don't worry, Janya Botre.
Not only with the US, but with many other strategic partners, including the UK, a number of Gulf states. We do these things in our strategic national interest, and we are also careful to draw the lines. And so there's a red line. We do not accept military bases in our country. And I'm sure that what is happening in the Middle East now vindicates Ghana's position. We have historically prevented Western powers from establishing military bases in our country. And I believe that those who initially were not sure why Ghana was very stern about this position now appreciate that. Having said that, we also take the view that any cooperation, any intervention must be on a case-by-case basis, and there has to be express approval. So the recent attacks in Nigeria, the Nigerians will confirm to you that they invited the Americans, and they also reached out to Ghana to collaborate.
The Nigerians?
Yes, both the Nigerians and the Americans.
American what kind of Messi, Metie, Mammy Casamcho, Messi. I didn't know Mudin Cafregan, because they want Ghana to collaborate with them. And Ghana foreign minister say Ghana reject
we can brofu be what's one kasa
my brother listen to what I said. I said say Okuda said Ghana collaborate.
Me can share that video now, but don't worry.
Share that video even make share that video because I've seen say that kind of way no propaganda no cause abeku me the best say no me sumi hu me sumi ba be boss isi
yeah what you share because you say video na me boy you know na what baby and what you share what you na boy
corruption one sem
okay Martin me ba
yeah and what you moving kwa ni because no more corruption why you kwa ni
when we are defending something what's ye mo de no tape no what's enye ni na nipa ni starting from baby yes where the way wom wo gina ka just say where the nim ena nim wan kasa we are defending no more open your ear netie where's what kan ye ne ye di ho asem what's wan ka na enye ni na no where the nim ana ketwa na nim Edding.
You see,
and come on, say who's about Obejamu di Bibi Ebechi, Ebekika ha, Nana Obejana, I know you. What's say program?
We say, oh, make us say Charlie, Ghana, MPP, ye bray. When you use corruption, say corruption tag, your power, Charlie. When you go say. It's not a certain people being a kronfu. It's the Ghanaian community. Ghana for ni na ya kronfu. Ye na ya kronfu no. Enye di paku bi say MPP for na ya kronfu. MPP for me Ghana for. What I say. So when you want to win power, na de biana. Hey, when we are kronfu, when we say, you will come and you be explaining yourself like this. It's been more than 1 year. It's been more than 1 year, and we're going to expose the Galamsey campaigns. Come on, so correct. Let's go to Moscow. Go and see what is going on. I want to tell them say the whole Ghana.
Because me and once you be a bar, no a form no maybe. Because me were no more what me debate their dance here. MPP for say you're teaching Crawford, and this is for say me were you are record.
Guase. Enu guase ye bi. Yes, what you mean in Nampono. What I say? Who better tell me the whole Ghana? Nipa no say Ghana and so now you want to me. Want to was the only person I know saying so. Look at where we are now. What I say, Anna, we have over 2.21 billion. No, because me, for example, I'm not against say the Pakon with this Kana Massa channel. Me, this can be been the me MPP ni, but I don't care. Say if you say want to me this can be why be why ya Massa channel. But don't come and me say if within 4 years when I'm prosecuting Kofu, yeah, trust me. Lord, court Attorney General because what the faming Kofu be brave with no evidence. With no evidence. You speak and I say so China if I couldn't call court I continue to buy yet in Pagona Sonampo. And we are happy about these things.
My winner, you did dear channel, Ghana for you did dear channel. Oh, and yes, so your chrono and your chrono and your chrono. I didn't
policies
No. It is all your fault.
No,
King, we are there. It's all your fault. When MPP was in power, I will not say all of you, but some of you guys were also just wearing defensive boot.
Yeah.
And just defending. Boo. Now look how we have limited our country's political thing. It's now on the floor. How do we understand defense?
What I say, Charlie, I agree with you totally.
We live in a country, not police, the one who is to be the intelligence for, let's say, the minister, na onumomune kutane bag. The police and also the army personnel should be the one to command the person to enter the car. Let's move, says intelligence. But na police ni mom kuta MP ne bag no kuta ne file no jina ne nchen no address shepe. Do we see such in baby one or more defense system? So now we are a country you need defense minister. and o minor bet that form na ye born ball left right. It's not so being against you bio and now being boo bio and as you ye nyina ye nhwe wiase na asebi ye won ye pass time a generation after generation. Near was set to honor no and chirima be faso. Ye was school amofra at this time kosukua access to toilet roll crow modebe cleaning on myself and in your romansan. Ye mom omotion with TV so keke, but the practical aspect in new a buy schools who need that facility ni common ni cram man collar so mon found romansa. But
Baby,
yeah,
yeah,
ni any game. Me party near defend this and you know, when a group and answer one part crumple is meaning business crumple now, the people will not understand because they do not see. You buy, we are seeing what are we observing? What are we seeing? Are we just here growing tall? Or we are growing wise to make change and change the narrative, rewrite a new story for the next generation? So the NDC, now you can see, say, any platform they find themselves on, a problem, just talking. Before they were just pinpointing ABC, you were talking about 24-hour economy. We were asking you, where are the roads? What is our electric power? No, how much in here what to even consume? Like factories be operating, even 8-hour crowd, we are not able to maintain constant electric flow. But we're talking of 24-hour. Yeah, it's not a problem. So logistic bebo mining ma kwan de be connect crampo no. Ye kwan we kum nipa da bia 4 days ago nakasa voxine ka bia ko bom ka ni ti da form na
teacher
nipa for mu na we from the vet. This new car from China was saying about mining no. People are just dying. Imagine defense minister no akọ from a plane crash. No forensic audit. Ni asisana gu koko bottom ni akosie de the Ghana flag ne sesu wi ya man of benefiting barrier ya wie. What do we learn from it? India gross I am one person in it, but we are all in it. If we will be truthful and honest to ourselves and see that we are building a nation, I don't know why we should just be corrupting system. The government can build a good system and they will even enjoy more ka private jet to say Ghana or bear 50. These are material things. The world is growing. We have access to mineral to buy all these things. Nanka ya create life. They said, yeah, oko Arab country now. Ya create Dubai ni Kuwait ni beye juma. Now we police and now soldier and now intelligence ITBB because they only work to protect their country. The other jobs is done by other countries. Right. Ghana for mumbra. But yet, right. Military nimpo ni yet nipa timiko busu manipa wu. Memi soldier school. Military should be like even a privilege for all Ghanaians because your population here is small. And before so be a crowd we senior high no what pass military test. But we are no akọ obe be akọ juma. In case of emergency, you extra serious men. Military is only about discipline. You can save yourself. Mummy to me can crunch leadership and mom for change. And Obia falling like a slave to the political side now or no. This is not helping us, brothers. Mama ye may and imbie we MPP we NDC now kind of cre ye bet to me a man your mass is sanka cra. Ye nipa abrofona o matwa abroche na to ama fru plane wo bedruma onim se wa ba heaven no. Ye nsusu ye bet to me a build number e kro ma ye hu se ne o mani seje. Tinke to and flow plane in omode ba ne enso ye obese 50 airport wono ma omofo koba bia ne enso ye nyasi kanka ewe nya bibia Kumasi to Accra obia to me the Ghana card fly no kosunya tachim your friend say tamale na de but ya moa ye ho na say we are saying ya de bi na ye turn board din. What are we buying, brothers?
Kenya was egusu ye juma. At least when if you cry,
So can't we let our political elites
Baby,
serious?